Okay, Emily, Rebecca has a better instrument for you. Give that one to Emily. There.
Now blow.
See if you can. Yeah, now blow.
Like that.
You can put it in your mouth. Now blow. You might have to. Yeah, there we go. Let her hold it.
Emily,
Here.
look.
There you go. Now blow.
Do you like that? No, no licking. Now blow. Emily, like this. No, wrong end.
Okay, now give it back to Emily.
Blow.
No, she just wants to eat it. She's not ready for music yet. One day, hey Emily, you can
Except
sing
for
for
bells.
us. She'll just sing for us.